can see bits of the path down below next to the river that's no longer open to the public because of rocks falling. The path is now blocked off. But it would have took you to the bottom of that waterfall originally. There's 25 steps back there. I'm just counting the steps on the way back out. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. Normal treatment steps over there. A whole lot more yet. That's the top of the big waterfall. Steps back there. 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. 141. And the last one's going out. If you want to avoid the steps, leave the car park, walk along the wee back road, although it's very narrow, and come in the side gate, and then the path is pretty flat to the main waterfall. Apart from this hole here. There's a gate goes out under the road. And I say, like, you go around that corner. As long as they don't padlock it, go around the corner and then the car entrance. Right, the last steps. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 172. So I would say by the time you do the wee bit of waterfall, near the 180 steps. So to avoid some of the steps, go along the wee road out there and then the entrance to the car park. How to leave Willow in the car, Willow can't do a lot of steps. Unless he's sleeping. Are you not sleeping? Are you not sleeping? Up a new rage. Up. Well, I'll give you a wee sniff around the car park. But we're going to have to stop, so we'll start a break for a while. The boat pit, alright. A wee sniff around the car park. No eating now, no eating. You think you haven't walked today? And then once I walk down there 2 minutes, you're exhausted. And want to say to me, look at that cruel boy dragging that wee pensioner all that distance. Aye. You wouldn't want to do all them many steps, pet. Too many steps. Well, this picnic table, you can sniff the picnic table. That's your favourite, isn't it? Sniffing picnic tables. Right, no more than 5 minutes sniffing now. Because you can overdo the sniffing.